Frontline International presents Troubleshooting the Used Cooking Oil Tank. The problem we will be covering is if the check sensor error light is illuminated. You will need to check or replace the sensor. A screwdriver and drill will be needed. If the check sensor error light is illuminated, the sensor needs to be checked and/or replaced. To start, remove the 4 corner screws at the top of the tank. Then, remove the lid from the tank. Now, disconnect the sensor from its harness. Then, rotate the sensor counterclockwise and remove the sensor. Now bring in the new sensor. Align the sensor with the opening with the fan pointing in and screw the sensor back in clockwise. Now reconnect the power, making sure the fan begins to spin. If the fan is not on, make sure the cable is connected. The UCO status should now read normal.